Okay, so this is just a quick overview of some of the changes to the content editor within Canvas. So those who are familiar with developing their own content within the pages may have noticed some changes to the look and feel of the editor. So if I go into a page here just to show, and we decide that we want to add content to this or change this, we would, as always, no changes here. We go to the edit function. And what you'll see straight away, those of you who are familiar with this view, will notice that a lot of the functionality on the right hand side has gone. So where we would have a list of our pages and assignments and quizzes and discussion boards, and that appears to be gone. No need to panic, they're just in a different place for various reasons to do with the ongoing developments and improvements to Canvas. Some of the things we can look at is, this is quite useful now, we can expand our screen to the full size, which gives us a little bit more scope, particularly when we're working on iPads and laptops, and if you're doing any development using those devices. Pressing escape on your keyboard takes you back to this view, and you can drag it out just slightly down here by these icons here on the right hand side. Got a word count now, which is useful. So say we wanted to carry on developing this particular course, and as always we put our cursor where we wanted to add something, and say we wanted to add a document to this area. So now we want to insert a document, so what we've got to look at up here is we've got the insert option. So we can click on insert, and then if we went down to documents, we could upload a document, or we could refer to an existing document that we've already uploaded in the past. So if I went to course documents now, these are files that we've uploaded, and then I could add, click on my cursor in like so, and we can click on that, and that's put that document straight in. No change the way we look. This has a better look and feel, I think, because it opens up a larger window and we can see the full name of the files and whatnot, and that should make it easier for those who've got quite a busy file area in here. Actually, one of the new features and one of the advantages of this new format is that just as we've clicked on the file and it's inserted it, what we can also do is we can also grab a file here. So grabbing this icon left of the file, and we can just drop it in like so, and drop our file like so into there, which is a new addition and a handy little feature. You can click on images and media as well as documents, or you can click on all, and you can navigate through your files, your course files like so, and the different folders to find a particular document within that area. What you can't do at this stage is you can't upload on the right hand side. So those of you who have a nice, and we always recommend you have a nice file and folder area, I'll just leave that for now, like so, we recommend that you still upload, if you want to upload to your folders to keep things nice and tidy, we recommend you do that via the files access on the menu on the left hand side. So this is the files access, and from here you can upload multiple files and documents into that area. One of the pros to this new look is that you can drag a file straight in, which you couldn't do before. Doesn't seem to allow you to do multiple files yet, but I guess that's coming. But you can just drag your file in, or you can click on it and search your file directories like so. Okay, so that's files. The same applies pretty much for images. You can look at previous images that you've already uploaded, or you can upload an image, and for media as well, you can upload media or refer to your course media, and you start to get a familiar view straight away. So this is media that already exists within this course, so I can decide that I want to use it, or I might want to use it again on a different area within the course like so. However, if I want to upload some new media to that, I would go insert media and upload. Again, you can drag your media in, although if you've got quite a large file, that might struggle. Um, Alternatively, you can click on that area and then you can choose a file that you want to use. So click on submit and that will upload, depending on how large the file is and how quickly it uploads to that area. And you can see there's our video uploaded to that area now. So the same applies for some links. So if we wanted to insert a link, we've got externals and course links. Course links, clicking on there, gives us that familiar view of our pages, assignments, quizzes and announcements. And so by going to insert and internal links, we can then add links to existing pages or assignments or quizzes or announcements and discussions. So that's there. It's just that it's not always on view. Quick recap, what did I do then? Link, course links for internal links to pages, assignments and quizzes. If we want to add an external link, we can go insert, link, and external link, and that would be a website of some sorts kind of thing. We click on done and that would put a link into there. Okay, so that in mind is just one more major thing. A lot of staff are using the links to YouTube and Planet eStream being one of our main things. Now the good thing about those two platforms is that there's an app that fits within Canvas, which makes it slightly easier. You'll see this little plug icon here. That's actually where our apps sit within there. And if we look down to our tools under here, that sits under there as well. YouTube works the same as it always did. It opens up. You can search then for Preston's College, so on, like so, and you can embed like you always would do. In the same way we've used the YouTube link, we can also use our Planet eStream, and we can search for TV content, TV and radio content. We can insert that into pages as well. Other things we can look at is there's our table view. A lot of users like to insert tables within the pages, and we can still do that here. Again, we have that view option down here. So, and we've got an embed function for those of you who like to embed some of your content from other websites within the Canvas page. Those who are familiar with that, you grab the embed code from a particular site or platform and embed it into there, and then that puts it into a nice window within your Canvas pages as well. I think that covers a lot of the day-to-day functionality of what most staff require in order to continue to develop their pages. And the e-learning team is also on hand to help with any further inquiries as well. Cheers.